First, I want to show you why the Bitcoin price rejected from this key level and where it found support, and later on I will show you my key support and resistance levels. So very simply, what yesterday we had is the really nice small range above of our big range, and yeah, what we had seen is the partial decline to the middle of the channel, and we rejected from it. Why we have rejected? Why it was such a resistance level? Basically, I've told you days in advance that we are right now at the resistance, we are at the high of the range, and as a confluence you can see that we have one range high. As you can see, this range which I showed you yesterday, we were at the high of this range, so it was honestly really respected. Wicks into it, no closes above, and also it was also a high of the range, basically of this range. You can see that this is the high and this is also the basically resistance, and it was respected really well. So why we shouldn't expect this drop? We should have been expecting it. And where we have found support at? Well, no surprise, the middle of the channel, and also it is the point of control of the channel. Isn't that perfect? I was showing to you this support also days in advance. We had a really nice confluences at these levels. Yeah, go back, watch my previous videos if you are interested in that. We had a really nice swing failure pattern of this low. We got back up, and we are right now forming another range as we had this drop to the downside. So we are in another range, and yeah, right now let's talk about the support and resistance which we might have today. So first of all, I want to talk about the support, and very simply, where the first support of mine is. If we go to hourly time frame, what I can do is pull a Fibonacci extension tool from this low to the high and make it to 786. As you can see right here, we have a 786 Fibonacci level. Why is it important for me? Well, first of all, it can be another swing failure pattern of this low. It can really happen. Also, what we have is the weekly level right here, this yellow line. As you can see, it is a really nice confluence to our level, key level. And also what we have is the 15 minutes order block. If we zoom out, you can see that right here we have one red candle, one bearish candle, which is acting as a should act as a support on the first touch. So it was not touched, as you can see tonight, and it is still a very valid support level. So I would mark it something like that, because obviously you can see that we have a order block which is 0.7% wide. So yeah, you have to keep it in mind, and this is the first support. If this support will be lost, what I would be looking for is the big Fibonacci golden pocket. As you can see, if we pull it from this low to the high, we have a golden pocket right here. The question is it important level? Well, if we don't have confluence, it is not. But if we do have, well, then it is important level. Obviously, you can see that again, we could take out these lows. Also, it is the value area low of the channel. It is very important in my opinion. And also what we have is the monthly and daily levels. So this is a very important confluence. This is the main confluence to this level in my opinion. And if this level will be lost, basically we will look at the low of the range. You can see that we have 786 lining up perfectly just with our range low. And this is looking pretty good. As we know our support levels, let's look at the resistance levels. So very simply, what we can do is hide some things, so it will be not as cluttery. let's begin. So first, resistance, which is important for me, is obviously the, again, Fibonacci golden pocket taken from this high where the price got really impulsive. And why is it important for me? Well, it would be the perfect SR flip of this wick. As you can see, we had support, broken. Once it is broken, it should act as a resistance. So this is the first very, very nice confluence. And also what we have is the daily level. As you can see, we have daily level right inside of our golden pocket. It is lining up really, really nice with our SR flip. And this is the main idea, basically. This is a really nice opportunity to enter a short, in my opinion. However, if this level will be broken and we'll go to the upside even more, then what I will look for is for this range. What I can do is to pull my fixed range tool from where it started till it ended, and as you can see, what we have is the point of control. If we will see an acceptance into value area of this range, then I will trade it to the point of control. Very, very simply, what we have also as a confluence is range value area high of this whole range. So as you can see, it is lining up really, really well with our basically this point of control, this smaller range point of control. And we have range value area high. The last confluence which I have for this level is the previous day point of control. As you can see right here, it is the level. It is lining up really nice with another confluences, and this is basically another zone of support, resistance. Hope you liked it. See you later.